Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a wall shelf on a curved wall. Okay, first of all we have to make a 2-point arc over there, so then we can set the length about the arc with any size. Anyway, we can just press on this. Okay, so then we can select it and we can offset it outside. Maybe we can offset it outside around 150 millimeter. So this is we can move it and duplicate it first. Okay, like then, and then we can um, close the unfinished plane anyway, so you can see this. Okay, and then we can push it up around 3 meter. Okay, and it's down anyway, and we can select it and offset it inside. We can select offset it inside around 350 millimeter. Okay, so we can um, make the finish line over there just like this, and then we can select it and we can move. Then we can place on the center position of this of this wall anyway. We can select, we can make sure that it will be appear center line of the curve. Okay. Okay, this is a center. Okay, this is a center position, and then we can push it up. It's a little bit around 400 maybe, and just make it group. Okay, and then we can move it to the upper position. Can move it. Sorry, it seems a little bit over there. It seems a little bit over, so we have to make the line vertical line first. Okay, then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can move it just a little for temporary. So then we can make the line vertical line over there also. Okay, okay, and then we can place this center line to this center position of this wall anyway. Okay, it's look perfect than before anyway. Okay, and after that we can move and duplicate it to the upper position. So we can place on this, and then we can maybe we can just place on this position, and then we can select it and we can measure it. Okay, we can move and duplicate it to the other position, to the another position. Then we can type x3 maybe, for example, and it's done. And then anyway we can delete it. We can delete it. Okay, we can delete every single line that we have no need it. So we can make the wall surface over there, and then we can make the wood material with maybe we can use a synthetic surface just like this. Okay, we can use synthetic surface. Okay, just like this, and you can see about it. You can delete some unnecessary line, and it's done. And this is about the curve self on the curve wall over there. Okay, I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. That's about the beginner tutorial or basic tutorial, so you could improve more about how to making another furniture or another object, and wait for my next video. Thank you.